Starting a pharmaceutical business requires significant planning, regulatory understanding, and investment. Here's a structured guide to help you get started. 1. Understand the industry and choose a niche. Market research. Study the pharmaceutical market to understand the demand, competition, and trends. Define your niche. Determine the type of products you want to focus on, such as generic drugs, branded medicines, over-the-counter OTC products, or specialized drugs like antibiotics or supplements. Business model. Decide if you want to be a manufacturer, wholesaler, distributor, or retailer. Each has unique regulatory and logistical needs. 2. Develop a business plan. Executive summary. Outline your business model, goals, and target market. Market analysis. Detail the demographics, potential customer base, and competition. Operational plan. Explain your manufacturing or distribution process, suppliers, and logistics. Financial plan. Include projected costs, funding requirements, revenue projections, and pricing strategy. Regulatory and compliance strategy. Describe your plan for navigating pharmaceutical regulations, including licensing, storage, and labeling. 3. Understand and comply with regulatory requirements. License and permits. Obtain necessary licenses from regulatory bodies like the FDA in the US, CDSCO in India, or EMA in Europe. Good manufacturing practices (GMP) ensure compliance with GMP standards for quality control, safety, and cleanliness. Storage requirements. Pharmaceutical products often require controlled storage environments, temperature, humidity. Documentation. Maintain records for traceability, batch information, and regulatory audits. 4. Secure funding. Determine startup costs. Calculate expenses for research, product development, marketing, licenses, and personnel. Funding sources. Seek out venture capital, private investors, bank loans, or government grants aimed at health innovation. Plan cash flow. Ensure sufficient working capital for operational costs until the business generates a steady revenue stream. 5. Source raw materials and establish partnerships. Raw materials. Source quality ingredients from certified suppliers to maintain product integrity. Vendor selection. Establish relationships with suppliers for raw materials, packaging, and logistics. Manufacturing. If outsourcing, partner with a reliable contract manufacturer that meets regulatory standards. 6. Develop and register products. Formulation development. Invest in R&D to develop or improve pharmaceutical products. Product testing. Conduct preclinical and clinical trials is required to ensure efficacy and safety. Approval. Submit applications to relevant regulatory bodies to obtain product approval. 7. Build a brand and marketing strategy. Brand identity. Develop a recognizable brand, including your logo, packaging, and mission statement. Marketing strategy. Define how you'll reach your target audience: doctors, hospitals, or direct-to-consumer. Distribution channels. Establish channels to reach your customers, like pharmacies, hospitals, and online platforms. Regulatory marketing compliance. Ensure all promotional materials meet legal guidelines and provide truthful information. 8. Focus on distribution and logistics. Warehouse setup. Arrange a facility that meets storage and safety requirements. Transportation logistics. Plan for reliable, temperature-controlled transportation for certain pharmaceuticals. Supply chain management. Implement a system to track inventory, prevent stockouts, and maintain supply consistency. 9. Hire qualified staff. Key personnel. Hire experts in pharmacology, quality assurance, regulatory affairs, and business management. Training. Ensure all staff members understand GMP and industry-specific regulations. Sales and marketing team. Recruit experienced representatives who understand the pharmaceutical sales environment. 10. Continuous compliance and improvement. Regular audits. Conduct periodic compliance and quality audits to ensure adherence to standards. Stay updated. Keep informed of changes in pharmaceutical regulations. Research and development. Invest in R&D for innovation, new product lines, or improved formulations. Summary. Start Starting a pharmaceutical business involves navigating complex regulations, securing substantial funding, and maintaining high-quality standards. By conducting thorough market research, developing a robust business plan, and focusing on compliance, you can build a strong foundation for a successful business in this highly regulated industry.